Hey guys, Enzo here, head of warranty repairs. Want to make a quick video for you guys about our Generation 2 fuel tanks. Since the initial release of our Generation 2 tanks, they have been a great success for one main reason. They come with everything you need already installed inside the tank, with also features including available in a 340 liter per hour pump, a 200 liter per hour pump. They come with our patented Phantom Baffle and foam assembly already pre-installed with the appropriate fuel level sending unit for your application. On page 14 of our catalog, it lists the horsepower specifications of the 200 and 340 liter per hour Generation 2 tanks. On the 200 liter per hour tank, it can support on EFI 600 horsepower flywheel and on carbureted 750 horsepower flywheel. On the 340 liter per hour pump in the Generation 2 tank, it can support up to 1,000 horsepower on carbureted on gasoline, and on E85 it can support 700 horsepower. A few applications that we offer for our Generation 2 tanks are 60s Mustangs, 70s Mustangs, early 60s Camaros, early 60s Corvettes, 70s Camaros, 70s Corvettes. We even have ones for Chevy Malibus and Monte Carlos, all the way down to you guys with the Buick Regals. That is just a small sampling of the options we have for Generation 2 tanks. Thanks for watching, guys. And one more thing, our Generation 2 tanks start at under $500. For more information, check out our homepage and click on the graphic for the Generation 2 stealth tanks. Or better yet, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd be happy to go over the Generation 2 tanks with you.